Hey guys, so on your picture submission, I've had a couple questions about how to insert a picture. So on your screen, you are going to click reply and you get this. Now you can go to insert image. Let's click upload an image. So if you have one on your computer you want to load, you could just click here and say, oh, let's put in this picture that I have. But you don't have to. You can click unsplash, and let's say you want a picture of a kitten and puppy. Looks like I'm only getting pictures of kittens, but I could do a house, falling, then let's see if we have a house falling down. So now we have like rundown houses, and I can click on this and click submit, and it's gonna put that picture here. And then I can post my reply and it's going to be this picture. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to put that there. But then, and then you're going to make your two inferences, right? Then you're going to reply to somebody else's. So I think that this is their house and it got taken by a wave and they are escaping. So that's my inference. And by replying to this image, I'm replying to Tiana. Let me know if you have any questions about that. I hope this helps.